Hi friends, Rachel here from Positively Stitched. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. So I have an unboxing for you. I ordered bag hardware for the very first time from Fireweed Stitches up in Alaska. And I wanted to let you know that I ordered, I think 2 days ago. And I already have it. I was not expecting it today. I was expecting it to take like a week. But they sent it via FedEx and it showed up this morning and I couldn't even believe it. So I had to order hardware for a charity bag that I am going to be making to match the fabric that the person who won the bag chose. And so I thought I'd try somewhere new, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get into this and I'm going to show you what I ordered. And I'd love to know your feedback and what you thought of the video down in the comment section. So let's get to it. Okay, for doxing purposes, I have decided to open this front side down. I will link Fireweed Stitches. I will link their shop down below. We'll see if I can get into this. I can't even imagine trying to do this in a story on Instagram without having actually busted into this first. So let's take a look and see what goodies I got. Ooh, make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, perfect. All right, so Fireweed Stitches, they've got their own little tissue paper, which is really nice. Let me make sure that I grab this out. That's my packing list. It's really nice. It's on like thermal paper that you use with the label printer. So let's go ahead and get into what we got. So I saw somebody on Facebook post a bag, and they had these really pretty rivets, and I thought, ooh, I love those. And then they in the comments said, oh, this is where I got them, and immediately went to the website. Right, and those rivets were these, and I don't know if you can see it in the package. They are antique. I did get some silver ones, so they've got like a really pretty like filigree design on them. They're so pretty, and they work with your regular rivet press. So I'm excited to try these out. I got them obviously in antique bronze and nickel. I got some hardware, just general hardware, like these are the 1-inch lobster clasps, and they have like a little kind of a filigree design on there as well. I thought those were really pretty. Could not resist the mushrooms. I thought they were so pretty. Again, the theme of this is it's so pretty. All of it's so pretty. They are prettier in person than they are on the website. I really like the bronze ones. The detail just kind of comes out with the antique bronze. I got some skulls. The boyfriend has commissioned a bag from me for his Magic the Gathering stuff, so I think I'm going to use skull pulls for his. And then for the charity bag that I'm making, I am going to decide between mushrooms or ravens. And so I got a couple of packages of ravens, nickel, and then I think this might be like a brushed nickel. Let's see. Trying to figure out. Raven, antique nickel, and regular nickel is what I got. Of those, these are some zipper ends that I thought were really pretty. I've never seen zipper ends like this, but I like that, so I ordered some of those. Oh, I also did get the filigree rivets in rainbow, so those are going to be nice. And then antique bronze zipper caps, antique bronze with the kind of the design on the hook, and the nickel. And then I got some 1.5 inch adjustable sliders, because I like to use 1.5 inch webbing for a lot of things, or 1.5 inch straps. I feel like they give a little bit more security when it's on your shoulder. I got these as well. This is Create Your Own Magic. The bag that I'm making is like magic and witchy themed, and so the mushrooms or the ravens, like this is all kind of going to go with it. I'm using a purple vinyl, and this is like a purple spider web zipper tape, number 5 zipper tape, which I thought was really pretty, so I got that as well. And then it looks like, what is this? This Fireweed Stitches, fireweedstitches.com. Is it a coaster? I don't know. It's oh, they're like little post-it notes. Oh, I love that. Like, you can give them to your friends. Here, I got hardware from here. Those are really neat. I like that a lot. Very cute. So yeah, I think they're, yeah, they're sticky backed, just like post-it note. Very cute, very neat. But that's it. That's what I got. That's my little, not so little haul from Fireweed Stitches. Love the hardware. I am so thankful that I stumbled across this website and this shop when I did, because I wasn't sure what I was going to do for zipper pulls for this bag, and now I know. So I hope you liked this video. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, helps me be seen, helps other people find the channel. Maybe they're looking for some inspiration. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!